All right. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. This is your Dean of Academics, Dr. LA. I want to invite you to participate in our 90-day challenge, our 90-day summer challenge. Will you feel where you will learn how to trade gold in a funded futures account? Check out the details in the description. All right, so this technology, what I love about this technology is that it gives you the zones for gold, okay? You can trade gold in 5 point zones. 1 second. You can trade gold in 5 point zones. It's going to tell you directly the area where gold is going to hang out, okay? And you can consistently put these in as pending orders for a buy stop or a sell stop. So I really, really, really like this feature, this technology. You can do 5 points on gold, 10 points, or 25. For beginners, I like you to just focus on 1 point on gold, 1 point on gold. You can do a lot with 1 point on gold. Okay. So, what we're going to do and what we do at the beginning of each week is we look for the zone. We want to mark where the market is right now before the market even opens back up. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a horizontal line and I'm going to put that at the top of the highest candle right in here. Okay, I'm looking at this candle and this candle. The market closed at about 24.16, but I'm looking in this area right here because that last candle kind of shot up. People always say, are you putting it at the top of the candle or the top of the wick? Okay, those of you new to trading, these are called candles, and it's just showing you how the market is going up and down. When the market is green or blue, the market is buying. When it's red, it's selling, it's going down. Okay, and in the foreign exchange market and in the futures market, you make money if the market goes up or down. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is your position. So we can talk more about that in a live session. So again, I'm looking at the high. This is that last buy candle, and it's about right here at 24.17. So now I want to determine what are the zones. So I'm going to give you about two zones, okay? And so I'm going to look for if the market, the beautiful thing is the market does the same thing over and over again. If the market continues to buy, where is it going to go? And so what I'm looking for are areas of heavy consolidation, okay? Heavy, 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 heavy consolidation. And it's been a long time since gold has even been in this area. Gold is reaching some new highs. Okay. So we want to be mindful of that. Let's go back here again. So gold right now is at about 24, it closed the market at 24.16. I'm going to go to a higher time frame for the buy. Right now, let's focus on the sell. Okay. So for the sale, I'm looking at this area right here because it's heavy consolidation. The market is going up and down. It's not really breaking out. Right here, it consolidated, it broke out. This is a clear buy. Those of you who are new to trading, again, when you see green or on some charts, it's going to be blue, that means that the market is buying. Red will always mean that the market is selling. Okay. So right in here, we got some good consolidation. I'm going to go ahead and put a horizontal line here. And I like to keep mine either at 0 or 0.5. Okay. So I'm going to be looking 2390.5. And I typically make my sell zones red. All right. And then only 1 point for beginners. Okay. If you're a more experienced trader, you know what you've been successful with. So again, that one was at 23.95. So I'm going to go down to 23, only 1 point, 89.5. All right. 23.89.5. And I'm going to use this for Forex and for futures as the zone. Now I'm going to enhance my screen because I just want to make sure that this is a good zone. This is a great zone. Okay. I like that. There's another one right underneath that I'm going to take. So 2390.5 to 2389.5 is the zone I'm going to watch for. Okay. All right. And then right underneath here, you see it's a lot of great zones where the market is consolidating. I'm looking for consolidation. That means basically the market is going sideways. Okay. I want it to consistently go sideways. All right. So now I want to get into something in the 70 area. Let's look at this right quick. Because I have something in the 80s. No, I don't want to go that far down. No. Right in here is good though. You see how here it's going like sideways, it's going sideways here. Right here is ideal in here. I'm gonna take this one, okay? So this is gonna be at about 23.85 to 23.84. Okay. 1 point for beginners. Trust me, until you learn, trading gold is like riding a horse, learning how to ride a bike. Until you get it down packed, I highly recommend that you keep it simple. Okay. 23.85 to 23.84 is going to be the zone that I'm looking at for the sale. And then I'll take one more sale right in here. Again, I'm choosing this because look, the market is consolidating. Okay, right in here. That's good consolidation. I want the market to hit the top of this line and the bottom. So this is at about, I'm going to drop that to 23.81. To 23.80. Okay. So this is where I'm going to be looking. 23.81 to 23.80. These are the areas that I'm going to watch to see if the market is going to sell in these areas. And then once you do your analysis, you can either do market executions. If you say, yes, it is going through this zone consistently, right? Or you can do pending orders, depending on your trading style, depending on your strategy. So those are going to be my sale zones for now. And those are just areas that I'm going to watch. Now, let me go to a higher time frame really quickly for the buy. Because again, gold is super duper high, basically, right? So gold is right here, 24.17. So you see before it was kind of wicking. Gold, I really think gold is going to be hitting some new highs. Okay. And so what I'm doing is I'm checking the history. Always check the history. You want to pull your screen to the left and you want to see where is gold. All right. And so since gold has been so high, it's getting ready to do some new things. So I'm going to leave it alone, to be quite honest with you. I'm going to wait to see how the market is going to move. The highest gold is gone right now is 24.31. And let's see, the consolidation there, it hasn't really happened, right? And so I think that gold will more than likely push up. It may push up one more time, but gold is going to come down. And we should be looking for it to drop to about 23.01. This is the bottom of where those candles are. History repeats itself over and over again. Okay. So we definitely are probably looking for it to come down to 2300. Okay. And then if it continues to push, you can look for it to come to about 2170. And I'm just looking at the bottom of the red candles. Typically what it does on the left, it will do on the right, but you have to do your own analysis and perfect the strategy that you're using. Hey, I want to make sure that I'm inviting you to trade futures with us in a funded account. You do not need your own money to trade. You can trade in a funded account and you can practice your strategies and get them to perfection before you start investing your own money. But the beautiful thing is, in a funded account, the brokers will still pay you. I hope you found value in this video. I like to keep them quick and simple. I will be showing you how to do this in your funded futures account this week as well. Remember to like and share and comment on the video. Have an amazing week, everybody. Please study Gold. I love gold. Gold will pay you and will pay you well. Have a great week.